to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is the November 2022 box. Yeah, we fell a little behind again. It's okay, we'll catch back up. We'll do it as quickly as possible. Anyway, this one, we have our little magazine, mini magazine, as always. Loving it. Love the redhead representation. So this one, joy to behold. With the weather getting colder, a pick-me-up is in order, and have we got just the thing for you. A cheekbone illuminating, face smoothing routine that's golden, as in there's actual gold inside one of these products. A 111 skin serum that's 135 value all on its own. Holy shit. You're getting a Victor and Rolf fragrance that smells like an expensive floral arrangement mingled with creme brulee, a L'Occitane hand cream that you'll be pulling out of your bag all season long, and a rose gold highlighter to carry you through the holiday party season. Pour a cup of coffee, grab a cozy robe, and have some fun digging through your November Allure Beauty Box. Well, we'll start with the spendy one, and it's full frigging size, so it's like actually worth $135. Mix a drop into your favorite moisturizer or liquid foundation to achieve all your dewy skin dreams. So this is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Why you'll love it. This is the kind of serum you look forward to putting on each morning. It's a silky blend of rose water, niacinamide, and actual gold that keeps skin hydrated and soothed and helps even out skin tones. The subtle rose gold tint is as brilliant as any brightening makeup, and we mean that figuratively and literally. It brightens complexions on the spot for a radiant, fresh-faced look. We are super excited to give you a full-size bottle of this Luxe Serum, $135 value. Woot woot! Yes, it literally says woot woot. How you'll use it. Pat 3 droppers full over your skin and tap what's left on your hands along your cheekbones for an extra pretty glint. Oh, I can't wait to try that. So we have that. Next, we have the Victor and Rolf Good Fortune Mini Replica, which means it actually is shaped like the bottle. Let's see it. I love it when they're like the little mini versions of the bottles. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Does it have the name? Yes, Victor and Rolf. However, it does not say Good Fortune on it, so we'll just have to remember that's what this is. But look how stinking cute. Oh my goodness, it has like amethyst for the topper. Just, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, sorry. I'm fangirling, but I love it. Can we tell? We can tell. Anyway, a perfect winter fragrance. It's warm and delicate. The retail price is $168 for a full 3-ounce bottle. So, why you'll love it, every bit as comforting and gorgeous as a big bouquet of flowers from a loved one. This warm blend of jasmine and bourbon vanilla is a cozy floral you'll want to smell all winter long. How you'll use it, instead of a spray, your bottle has a blotter applicator, which feels so romantic. Very fitting for this warm floral scent. Dab it onto your pulse points, wrists, neck, and feel very old Hollywood as you do. Oh, does that mean, let me see it? I think I know what they mean. Oh, maybe not. I thought it was the ones that have the little stick that like hangs down in there and you like dot it on. Unless this is like a really mini version that's like also the stopper. Let's look. No, I think that's literally just the stopper. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, that one's going to be nice. Okay, making sure that's fully on there because I do not want it to leak and waste any of that lovely precious stuff. But oh my goodness, that is really, really nice. So we have that. Next, let's see. We have a Cara Luce brush bundle. Oh, I guess there is 2 in there. I didn't even notice the smaller one in it. So these retail for $55. My goodness, we have a nice valued box this month. Why you'll love it. These Carluce brushes deliver impressive softness that makes blending powders and creams a cinch. The multitasking tools are super travel friendly because of their short handles. Not to mention that their slate gray color is so chic and looks great in any makeup bag. How you'll use it. The larger Cash Cream brush is great for base, foundation, contour, while the Hush Hush brush is awesome for smaller applications like eyeshadow, concealer, and your new Laurizia highlighter. Let's see them. Come on. This pouch does not want to freaking open. Oh my goodness. What am I doing wrong here? Oh! I didn't notice the sticker. That would help. Yep, opens right up now. I am stupid. But we knew that. Oh, those are short little brushes, but for my little baby hands, these honestly are fine. Oh, it's like chiseled! Oh my gosh, look at that shape. Look at that shape. That's hella awesome, actually. Like, we can see that, right? I dig that. I don't think I have a brush like that in my collection. And this one, too! Bro! Oh my gosh, I wanna... Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, these are gonna be fun to play with. Oh my goodness. Like, ah! Yeah, I can see what they mean about, like, for contour. Like, yeah. They are correct. Oh my goodness. But also for, like, base things you use like that. Okay, I'm totally seeing what they're talking about. Oh, these are gonna be fun. Okay, let's put them back in the pouch for now, just to keep them safe and clean. Hopefully not get that sticker stuck to me as I pull it back through. Yeah, that probably will. Come on, you can do it. Okay, got it. Next, the Rarizzi Cream Highlighter in Virtue. So this is $20. Why you'll love it. The Ideal Rose Gold Highlighter. It has a slightly shimmery finish that reads as dewy, not disco ballish. Aww. The creamy formula blends like a dream. How you'll use it with your fingers or your new brush, blend the highlighter onto the tops of your cheekbones, over your lids, and along your cupid's bow for a little hint of sheen. It makes for a very pretty, very angelic, monochromatic makeup look all its own. Oh, okay. Let's see it. Not sure I have a cream highlighter yet, do I? Oh, I guess I do have one, the one in that squeezy tube. Okay, but I don't have one in a compact like this, but ooh, okay. I wouldn't exactly call that rose gold, at least not in the pan, but maybe once it's on. But, like, that's pretty, though. It's very pretty. Okay. Nice. So we have that. Next, we have the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. This is $30. This is not the full size. $30 for 5.1 ounces. This is a 1 ounce size, I think. Yeah. So, just saying that it's not $30 for this little bitty tube. Full size is way bigger. So, why you'll love it. When cold weather chaps your hands, this heavy-duty cream delivers hydrating refreshment while going on easy and grease-free. The shea butter formula softens and soothes stressed hands, and the comforting smell is clean and crisp. How you'll use it, smooth it on once or twice a day for pampered hands that stand up to the elements. Because none of us knew how to use hand cream, right? The fact they had to give us instructions, but I guess they had to fill out that spot with something. I think this is the last thing. Yeah, the Nature Lab Tokyo Repair Treatment Mask. I'll be honest, when I first saw this, I thought it was another one of the scalp scrubs, but honestly, I like that stuff, so even if it had been, I wouldn't be mad about it, but like, okay, I didn't know they did masks, but now I do, and I have a little one to try out. So the retail price for the full size is $17, which again, I love that this brand is so affordable. I'm still on the fence about whether or not to buy the full size of the scalp scrub, because I'm still using up my little samples. So who knows how I'll feel by the time I use them all, but I think I am going to get it. Anyway, why you'll love it. This lightweight mint green cream spreads easily through hair and instantly makes it feel softer and easy to detangle. It treats from scalp to ends with hair strengthening keratin and bamboo extract and moisturizing argan oil. How you'll use it. Run a dollop through freshly shampooed hair in the shower. Rinse after 3 minutes to get hair that's less frizzy, which God knows I need all the help I can get with. So, okay, will do. And then the rest of the pages in here are just from, like, their online store of things you can buy. So we're not going to read those pages, and I think this too, yeah, basically same deal. So that's what was in the November box. A very nice haul, if I do say so myself. So anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.